For nearly a century, humanity has relied on a single powerful story to explain the vast and mysterious cosmos around us. This specific narrative shaped generations of science, rewrote our textbooks, and earned prestigious Nobel Prizes for the world's most brilliant minds. It is officially called the Lambda CDM model, serving as our cosmic operating system that dictates how we understand everything exists. But what if that system is already obsolete? What if the universe we think we understand isn't the universe we actually live in? Right now, a telescope orbiting 1,000,000 miles from Earth may have exposed deep cracks in modern cosmology that we cannot ignore. These are not small cracks, but foundational ones. And the deeper it looks into space, the more unsettling the picture becomes for astronomers. That telescope is the James Webb Space Telescope. Webb does not just look far away into distance, it looks back in time. Every faint glow it captures began its journey billions of years ago, long before Earth existed and before our sun ever ignited. When Webb aimed at the most ancient regions of the cosmos, places that should reveal the universe in its infancy, it found surprises. Instead of small, faint, primitive galaxies slowly forming, Webb found thousands of objects that shouldn't exist at all in that specific era. They are too bright, too massive, too dense, too evolved. These objects defy the standard timeline of how our universe supposedly grew. According to everything we know, the early universe should have been simple and quiet, with matter just beginning to organize itself slowly. Yet Webb is seeing complex structures where complexity should be impossible. For the first time, we have peered beyond the cosmic dark ages. This is the era after the Big Bang, when no stars were supposed to exist. Instead of darkness, Webb found immense, luminous objects. These objects appear far too mature for a universe only 13.8 billion years old. This is not a mistake in data. Independent teams across the world see the same data, and some of the most respected physicists alive are quietly admitting something extraordinary. The early universe may not have looked anything like we assumed. Some are now considering a far more radical possibility regarding our origins. What if the universe didn't begin the way we think it did? What if these distant objects aren't early galaxies at all? What if they belong to something else entirely? To understand the problem, we have to look closely at the model itself today. Lambda CDM says the universe is dominated by two invisible forces: cold, dark matter, and dark energy. Together, they control cosmic evolution. In this model, galaxies grow slowly, pulling in matter over time. There simply isn't enough time for massive galaxies to appear so soon. Yet Webb is seeing galaxies so large and dense they would require more matter than the universe could possibly provide at that stage. The math doesn't work. The physics doesn't work. The timeline collapses. So what exactly is Webb seeing in the deep, dark past? To answer that, we need to zoom out. In 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other. Space itself is expanding. And strangely, this expansion has no center. Wherever you are, everything else appears to be rushing away from you. Even more unsettling, the expansion is accelerating. At a certain distance, galaxies recede at the speed of light, vanishing from our view. Beyond that lies the Hubble sphere. Past it, galaxies move away faster than light, not breaking physics, but because space itself stretches. And as the universe expands, this boundary grows. That leads to a final limit. The observable universe, a vast cosmic bubble. It is a vast bubble, about 92 billion light years across. Anything beyond it is forever hidden from human eyes and our instruments. At its edge lies the cosmic microwave background, light from when the universe was just 380,000 years old. The most distant galaxy ever detected formed when the universe was only about 290 million years old, a mere infant. But here's the twist. That galaxy is already beyond our observable horizon. Whatever it has become, we will never know its fate. This reveals something profound. The observable universe is not the whole universe. It is just our local window into a vast reality. If the universe is infinite, and evidence increasingly suggests it is, then it was always infinite. The Big Bang didn't happen once. It happened everywhere, all at once. Matter didn't spread outward from a center. It appeared throughout all of space, simultaneously, in an instant. That is the standard picture. But Webb may be forcing us to rewrite it. Astronomers expected to see small stars learning to exist. Instead, they found brilliance. Massive objects, shining intensely in a universe that should still be dim and quiet. According to theory, one study identified dozens of objects that may have existed just 200 to 400 million years after the Big Bang occurred, confirming even a few would seriously challenge modern cosmology. One researcher said it plainly: our understanding of early galaxy formation is wrong. Then came the most disturbing detail. Normally, galaxies convert only about 10% of their gas into stars.
No gas means
Webb
no future
sees something
growth,
else.
which
Webb's data
defies
suggests some of these
physical
early
laws.
objects converted nearly 100% of their material into stars. No gas left over. No leftovers. No fuel for future growth. That shouldn't be possible under any known physical law. So scientists are asking uncomfortable questions. Are these even galaxies? Or are we seeing an entirely new class of cosmic object that we have never imagined before? And if they are galaxies, the implications are staggering. It would mean our current understanding of the Big Bang is fundamentally incomplete. Maybe the universe evolved faster than we allow. Maybe gravity behaves differently on cosmic scales. Or maybe the universe is much larger. Some physicists are revisiting ideas once considered fringe, cyclic universes, previous cosmic epochs, or structures that predate the Big Bang itself. One Nobel Prize-winning physicist has even suggested that Webb may be pointing beyond our universe entirely. That may sound extreme to us, but so did the idea of an expanding universe, until it wasn't. Right now, we don't have answers. We only have data. And the data is telling us one thing very clearly. The universe is not finished surprising us. It has more secrets. And the story we've been telling ourselves may only be the beginning. The universe just became a lot more interesting for everyone. From the shattering of old models to the discovery of impossible galaxies, we stand on the brink of a new scientific revolution. We are realizing that our cosmic map is incomplete. The dark corners of space are filled with light we never expected to find. It will take a new generation of minds to interpret this data, to rewrite the textbooks, and to find the new truth. Webb continues its silent watch, staring into the abyss, waiting to reveal the next piece of the puzzle that breaks our reality. Perhaps the laws of physics themselves evolve. Perhaps the cosmos is far older and stranger than our limited imagination can currently grasp. Curiosity is our greatest tool. As long as we keep looking up, we will keep finding that the impossible is actually possible. The universe is a dynamic living entity. It does not follow our rules. We must adapt our rules to follow its reality. We are witnessing the end of one chapter and the exciting beginning of another.
Faster than predicted.
The Lambda CDM model served us well
Models confirm it.
until
We have
now,
less time than we
down
thought.
here on Earth. The implications ripple through our philosophy, our science, and our understanding of our place in this vast expanse. Every answer brings 1,000 new questions. That is the beauty of science. That is the thrill of exploring the unknown universe. Whatever the truth turns out to be, it will be more magnificent than anything we have dared to dream of so far. This machine has opened a door that can never be closed. We have stepped through it, and there is no turning back. The cosmos is not a cold, dead place. It is active, mysterious, and waiting for us to understand its true, deep nature. As we refine our models, we get closer to the ultimate truth. But for now, we must accept the mystery and wonder. The debate is just beginning. The textbooks are being revised, and the history of the universe is being written anew right now. Imagine what other secrets are hiding in that light. Imagine what else we have been wrong about for all this time. The journey of discovery is accelerating. We are living in the golden age of cosmology, thanks to a telescope a million miles away. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the deep unknown. The universe is vast, and our exploration never ends. This has been a production of Video. Subscribe now to keep exploring the mysteries of the cosmos with us every week.